You use the expression, a bug in a rug.
Oh yeah, I'm home now.
They have many different reasons for moving to Carefree, but once here, they wouldn't live anywhere else.
The atmosphere was so nice. When I went into the office people were very congenial and nice, and I just felt so welcome when I walked in the door. And I said, hey, maybe this is a place I need to be.
Somebody mentioned it to me, and they also brought the brochure. So I thought, when I get the opportunity, I'm going to go there and see about it.
Everybody kept saying, they're building Carefree, they're building Carefree. And so my neighbor brought me over, and I liked it, and I decided to move here, and I sold my house.
I looked at Carefree, and I found out that's exactly what I liked.
I wanted to be in a place where I'd be with people my own age. And when I found Carefree, I said, yeah, that's it.
I have a lot of friends that live in different places, but they don't compare to this. It's nice. I like it a lot. That's why I'm still here.